Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I like sunny days. Nice. It is a rainy day. Wet. I feel a cold wind. Cold. The sky is cloudy. Gray. I see snow today. White. It is very hot. Warm. I hear thunder outside. Loud. I see lightning now. Bright. There is fog today. Soft. Spring is my favorite season. Fresh. Summer is very hot. Sunny. Autumn leaves are falling. Orange. Winter is very cold. Icy. I see a rainbow. Colorful. The wind is strong today. Windy. It is humid outside. Sticky. The sun is shining. Golden. I feel a light breeze. Gentle. There is a storm coming. Scary. The moon is full tonight. Beautiful. I see dark clouds. Heavy. The air is fresh. Clean. It is drizzling now. Light. The sky is clear. Blue. I see hail falling. Hard. The temperature is dropping. Chilly. It feels dry today. Dusty. I see frost on the window. Frosty. The weather is mild. Calm. I love this season. Sweet. It is a windy day. Breezy. I see puddles on the road. Wet. The heat is strong today. Burning. I see ice on the ground. Slippery. The sunshine feels nice. Pleasant. It is snowing heavily. Heavy. The morning air is cool. Fresh. I see the sunset. Pink. The night is dark. Quiet. I see stars tonight. Twinkling. The weather is changing fast. Strange. I need my umbrella. Handy. I wear a warm jacket. Cozy. It is a foggy morning. Misty. The garden looks green. Lush. I feel the warm sun. Soothing. It is very windy outside. Strong. The rain has stopped now. Calm. I see clouds moving fast. Fluffy. This season feels perfect. Lovely. I feel the cool breeze. Refreshing. The sky turned orange. Warm. It is raining softly. Gentle. I see snowflakes falling. Tiny. The heat makes me tired. Tiring. I love the spring flowers. Pretty. The wind blows leaves away. Fast. I feel very sleepy today. Sleepy. The clouds look heavy. Gray. I enjoy autumn walks. Peaceful. The winter wind is icy. Freezing. I see a bright rainbow. Amazing. The morning fog is thick. Thick. I feel the summer heat. Intense. The rain sounds relaxing. Relaxing. I see thunder clouds forming. Dark. The breeze feels wonderful. Wonderful. It is a bright day. Bright. I see the moonlight shining. Silver. The weather feels perfect today. Perfect. I see falling autumn leaves. Golden. The rain is very loud. Noisy. I feel a warm sunbeam. Cozy. The winter snow is deep. Deep. I love a clear sky. Clear. The storm is very loud. Powerful. I see dew on the grass. Shiny. The summer sun is bright. Bright. I feel the spring rain. Soft. The weather is very mild. Mild. I see the sun rising. Beautiful. The night sky is clear. Peaceful. I feel the winter chill. Chilly. The rain is very heavy. Heavy. I love the summer breeze. Nice. The autumn air feels crisp. Crisp. I see the clouds parting. Slow. The spring flowers smell sweet. Sweet. I feel the humid air. Heavy. The weather changed suddenly. Sudden. I see the first snow. Magical. The sun feels very warm. Warm. I hear the rain falling. Steady. The sky looks stormy. Stormy. I feel the gentle sunshine. Gentle. The winter night is silent. Silent. I love every season. Special. The weather makes me happy. Happy. I enjoy watching the sky. Relaxing. Thank you for learning with me. Goodbye.